What if I told you that an African country has become the world's leading power? Forget the United States, China, or Europe. In 2025, few would have imagined that a small West African country could become a global giant. This country, ignored by the major powers, has invested massively in artificial intelligence, solar energy, and youth training. By 2035, it has become an African technology hub. Thanks to a policy of openness, it attracts the continent's best minds and created the African Future Alliance, a union of 15 countries for innovation. Imagine this. This country controls more than 40% of the world's clean energy production. By 2090, it has the most advanced AI research centers and runs a digital currency used in more than 70 countries. But no one would have imagined that an African country could become a key global player. And yet, in the coming years, this African country could be at the head of a new technological world order. Respond in the comments and don't forget to like. The future is not written by yesterday's powers, but rather by today's visionaries. Senegal, Ethiopia, Rwanda, or even Burkina Faso could well be the leaders the world is waiting for.